Hey y'all, welcome back to Mrs. Sloan's Cooking. Today we're going to make an easy chili recipe. All you're going to need is a pound of ground beef. I use Everglades seasoning. If you don't have it, that's fine. Chili powder, 2 cans of, I use the Bush's chili beans, but you don't have to use any type. And we need 1 container of tomato sauce, 1 red onion, and some red pepper flakes. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our ground beef and we're going to put it in the pot, and we're just going to break it up to really super small chunks. Or you can use steak or any type of beef. It doesn't have to be ground beef. And then at this point, we're going to take that whole red onion that we had and we're going to put it all in there, because my son loves red onions. This is going to cook with this tomato, or with this hamburger meat. And I'm using ground chuck, but you can use ground beef, it doesn't matter. We're just going to let that kind of mix it up in there and get it to cooking down. And at this stage, this is cooking down. I'm going to take about a teaspoon of my Everglades seasonings and put in there. Okay, we've cooked up our ground beef, and what we did is we have sauteed the onions in with the ground beef. So once your ground beef is done, then you're going to take 2 large cans of chili beans, and you're just going to put them in there. You're not drain them, put everything in it, because that's what you want. Because it's in mild chili sauce, or you can get the hot chili sauce. It's up to you. Turn this down to about a 4. Then we're going to stir this around. And then once we get it stirred up, then we're going to add in our chili powder and red pepper flakes. And we're also going to put in here a little bit of tomato sauce. Now, this is a 17 ounce. I'm going to use about half of this. And that's about half of that. Let's stir this up again. And if you have any ground beef or any type of beef that's kind of scorching to the bottom of it, that's okay, because once you put your liquids in there, it'll come right off. Now, at this point, we're going to add in about 1/3 of a cup, maybe more if we need it, do it to taste, of your chili powder. And put that in, and then we're going to do about a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. You can use more if you like a hotter chili. But if I do it this way, you can always add it at the table. And then we're just going to stir this around, and it's going to sit on the stove with a lid on it. Make sure to put a lid on it at this stage, because it will start bubbling and popping everywhere. So, and it's only going to sit for maybe in this for about 5-10 minutes, because everything's already done. You're just warming up the things. Okay, we have let this sit for about 5 minutes, because like I said, everything is already cooked. It's thickening up nicely, and your chili is done. Okay, our chili is done. I've plated it up. We've just added a little bit of sharp cheddar cheese over the top of it. You can also put a dollop of sour cream. If you like my video, please like and subscribe.